In this video, I want to show you the new overlay feature. I've clicked into View Plans, and you can see I have these drawings, version 1 and version 2. Let's assume I've already issued version 1 documents to the architect and now they've made changes and sent version 2. Let's click on version 2 and let that load. Down here, there is this new icon, down at the bottom right. That is the overlay feature. I can select a drawing to overlay, so I've loaded version 2 when I opened View Plans. And now I have version 1 that I want to overlay. And now this box is open here. I can see there's the version 1 drawings, these same 3 pages. And I can find the right page by searching. You can see here that says AF 101. And I want to compare the same page, so when I come in here I can see the thumbnail there. I can make the thumbnail a little bit larger so it's easier to see. I also have this feature where I can look at this little magnifying glass, and there's AF 101. You can see that every time I click off the overlay tool that it closes. Now I am going to select this drawing. You can see the background turned gray. It only does one page at a time. Here I have overlaid version 1 and version 2. Now, it is a little busy there, so I am going to come over to anchors and pins. And hide anchors and pins to turn those off. That will make the overlay easier to see. I am going to go back to the overlay button and going to show you the opacity here. Let's increase the page size a little bit first. If I change the opacity to 0 moving it to the left, that's the version 2 document. And as I move it, you'll see things starting to change a little bit. Over in here. If I go all the way to 100, you can see a significant change there. If I click to make the document smaller, you can see that's the only change on the whole document in this example. So, you can target on that change. Let's go back to the feature. I don't want to work in it that way, so I will change the opacity. Again, that's version 2. And now we're starting to see version 1 come into play. Here's version 2 over here, and you can see that this door has changed. Version 1 had it here, and version 2 has it here. Version 1 is in the white. Then I decide if I need to make hardware changes based on seeing that change. Likewise, here's another door that changed. If I come back and move the opacity to 0, you can see version 2. In version 2 this door is going into the room, and in the other version it was going out of the room. I decided I would make hardware changes based on that change. Up here, you can see that this room is larger and that the door has shifted. I can make necessary hardware changes based on that change. In this box I can click Select Plan to overlay. I can go back and select a different plan if I want to. Maybe look at an egress plan, or an integration plan. And choose that. Or I can click to remove the overlay. I could go to this next page, and if I want to, look at changes there. Then I'll click again and search for that page. I happen to know it's page 2. And I can overlay to page 2. I happen to know in this example we didn't make any changes. If I zoom all the way down, you can see that there's no changes. That's the new overlay feature. Thanks for watching.